This is how it looks when you work on a PowerPoint but with recording. As you know, the students always go by just scanning. They read the PowerPoint for whatever the reason. They just don't pay attention that much to what it is. It's just what they can get on top of what is in the slides. Sometimes a simple question like, who is the facilitator, gonna confuse them, because they just read that a facilitator was the assistant dean, but they didn't pay attention that actually was Manuel Fantasy. You see? So I can highlight right now, and I can go to the next one and explain step by step, point by point. This is gonna make the learning experience way better than just sending a PowerPoint. It's flipping, but in an interactive way. Yes, we send the information. They should go Google it. They should go find different resources. We have the LIRM, which is a virtual library, but all that won't be making any difference if we don't make it more attractive to them. Like, for example, someone described it to me. Okay, that sounds good, but what is it? As a person, I want someone to explain a little bit more because it is new for me. So the facilitator can do it. They can explain, they can definitely do some different stuff, like, for example, go and put the pen here and say, okay, this is me, and this is you guys. I explain whatever I'm gonna explain. You guys do the research. Then next day you come back to me and explain me what you guys learn, and we share information. So this circle is how it works. This is just an example. You guys continue, and you notice that we took way longer in every PowerPoint, but it was more effective. And this is how it works. Thank you, and hopefully this gonna give you an idea of how we wanted to do it.